What's up, Peak Timers? We've got spinners and we've got SpongeBob character cars, and they're going head to head to see which ones are better. Alright guys, object of the race game is for the Hot Wheels character cars to come down the track through this jump down and land, and if it gets eaten up by the spinners and doesn't cross the finish line, then it loses. If it hits a spinner or bounces on the ground or whatever and gets through the finish line, then it is the winner. So we'll see how many of the character cars from SpongeBob get stopped by the spinners. Let's see who's racing though. We've got Patrick, we've got Squidward, we've got SpongeBob himself, we've got Plankton, and we've got Mr. Krabs. We'll go in that order and we'll see how many of the SpongeBob character cars can get past those spinners. Alright guys, Patrick is on the starting line and all ready to go. Here we go, race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! Ooh, spinners eats up Patrick. Patrick gets eaten up by the spinners, so it is now up to Squidward. Let's put Squidward on the starting line, all the way up, and the spinners are all going, so Squidward is ready to go. Here we go, Squidward, race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! Ooh, it's the spinners again! That's what you call getting destroyed and eaten up by a spinner. Sorry about that, Squidward. It's all up to SpongeBob. Let's see if he can get one for the SpongeBob team. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, SpongeBob gets through! Run by SpongeBob. Now let's see if Plankton can do it and keep the SpongeBob team alive. Let's go, Plankton. Here we go. Put Plankton up there. There he is. All right, Plankton, it's up to you. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, he jumps right through! It's 2 for the spinners and 2 for SpongeBob. It is all up now to Mr. Krabs. Can Mr. Krabs take it for the SpongeBob team, or are the spinners going to defeat him? Let's find out. Let's put him up here. There we go. Here we go. Race number 5. Final. Winner takes all. On your mark. Get set. Go! Mr. Krabs sticks the landing and then jumps over the spinners after that through the finish line to take the win for the SpongeBob team. Congratulations, Team SpongeBob. You guys passed the spinner test and got past all those spinners. If you guys like this video, throw this video a like. And if you're not subscribed to my videos already. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.